Hello. I'm happy you are here today. Take a breath and let's listen together. Today, I want to talk about something very simple, something very important. Listening is learning. Many people think learning English means studying, books, rules, grammar, but learning also happens in a quieter way. It happens when you listen. When you listen, your brain is working, even if you don't understand every word, even if you feel slow. Listening is not passive. Listening is active. Your mind is catching sounds. Your ears are learning rhythm. Your brain is learning patterns. You don't need to understand everything. You don't need to stop the audio all the time. You don't need to translate every sentence. Just listening is already learning. Think about how children learn a language. They listen first. They listen again and again before they speak, before they understand everything. And slowly something happens. Words feel familiar. Sounds feel normal. Sentences feel easier. This is how listening works. When you listen often, English starts to feel natural. Not perfect, but natural. You may think, I'm just listening, I'm not learning. But that is not true. Every minute you listen, your brain is learning English. Quietly, gently, without pressure. In this first part, I want you to remember one simple sentence. Listening is learning. You don't need to rush. You don't need to force yourself. You just need to listen. Stay with me. In the next part, we will talk about how to listen in a calm way and why listening without stress is so powerful. Let's continue. Stay relaxed and keep listening. Now, I want to talk about how to listen, not in a stressful way, but in a calm and easy way. Many learners listen with fear. They worry. They think, I don't understand. I am bad at English. This stress blocks learning. Learning does not happen when you are tense. Learning happens when you feel safe, when you feel calm. So listen like this. Listen without judging yourself. Listen without stopping every second. Let the words flow. It is okay if some words pass you. It is okay if a sentence feels unclear. Your brain is still working. Listening is like watering a plant. You don't see results immediately, but slowly something grows. You can listen while resting, while walking, while drinking tea. You don't need to take notes. You don't need to repeat everything. Just listen. The more you listen, the easier it becomes. Sounds feel familiar. Pronunciation feels clearer. Speed feels slower. And one day you notice something beautiful. You understand more. Without trying harder. This is real learning. If you listen every day, even for a few minutes, your English improves naturally, quietly. So don't rush, don't pressure yourself. Trust the process. Listening is learning every time. In the next part, I will talk about how listening helps you speak, even if you don't practice speaking yet. Now, let me tell you something important. Listening helps you speak, even when you are silent. Many people think they must speak more to improve speaking, but that is not always true. Before speaking, the brain listens. It learns sounds. It learns rhythm. It learns how sentences move. When you listen a lot, your brain stores English, words, expressions, intonation. So later, when you want to speak, the words come more easily, not forced, not translated. This is why babies listen for a long time before they speak. They hear the language again and again. You are doing the same thing now. Every time you listen, you build confidence, even if you don't feel it yet. One day you will open your mouth and English will come out, slowly, but naturally. So be patient with yourself. You are not behind. You are learning. Listening is not passive. Listening is active. Your brain is working quietly, and this quiet work is powerful. So keep listening. Keep choosing calm content. Content that feels safe. Content that feels clear. You don't need to understand everything. You only need to continue. Little by little, English becomes familiar, comfortable, yours. Thank you for listening with me. Take a deep breath. And remember, listening is learning, always.